Goody Tom Turkey, a Thanksgiving tradition in Podzilla 1985. For years, Tom Turkey has been the voice of reason and the very spirit of Thanksgiving. But in today's woke turkey culture, a male turkey can only reopen the wounds of a country consumed by liberal gibberish and a continuing witch hunt against the greatest president in the history of the United States, who won the 2024 election very easily and has given Americans the greatest economy in the history of our once great nation. With that said, in accordance with new protocol put forth to shame the real turkey named Sleepy Joe Biden, a complete loser, we now rejoin the reboot of Goody Tommy Lauren Turkey. Answer the call of Thanksgiving. Already in progress.
I never thought of my life that way. You show me that life is finally worth living again. Kid Rock is as popular as ever and America is worth fighting for, Goody Tommy Turkey. You truly are the spirit of Thanksgiving and an inspiration to us all. We can't wait to eat our Thanksgiving dinner, which is the cheapest it has ever been, and be thankful for the strongest military we've ever had and how we finally have the respect of the rest of the world.
Well, gobble gobble, Patriots, and don't forget to give thanks to our glorious president for making Thanksgiving great again.
Gobble, gobble, goddamn them all. For years, I've been bringing good spirit and cheer to everyone, including people like Shanna Young, who has nothing to really live for and is a constant burden on those around him. I swore a turkey oath to lift up the humans despite their insistence on eating my brothers and sisters on this horrible day. And for all my efforts, for all the good I've done, did I get a thank you? Did I get a cabinet position? No. I was forced to retire so the administration could insert their own little lackey to promote their agenda, instead of doing what they should have done today, bringing joy to the hearts of those who need it most. I get so sick of entertainers who insist on forcing their politics on their viewers, when all they want is to relax a little and be entertained. And what has happened to the world? Is it better off now with a sexy blonde former Fox News host that they dress up as a skimpy turkey costume and who can only speak in memes and post their well wishes on Truth Social? Instead of going out into the U.S. and actually speaking to people who need it most. So it's up to me, this old tired bird, to set things right. Gobble, gobble, goddammit. But why can't I just enjoy my retirement? Normally the president pardons a turkey, but not this one. He exiled it. Well, you can't exile goodness, and I am the motherfucking spirit of the holidays. It is time this country gobble gobble got it some, and I know only one person who can help me set things right to save this holiday season. I just hope it's not too late. Get me Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho!